Ford and Geely have reached an agreement for Geely to build vehicles on an unused assembly line at Ford's Almussafes plant near Valencia, Spain. According to the article, local production places Geely on the right side of European tariffs on Chinese automakers. Ford's Valencia plant has an annual production capacity of 450,000 vehicles, but has been operating at less than a quarter of that capacity for several years. The factory currently builds the Ford Kuga, and reports cited in the article indicate the Geely EX2 electric hatchback is expected to join production. Additional details are expected to be announced later this week by Spain's Prime Minister during a visit to Ford's factory. Chery, BAIC, and CATL are involved in separate manufacturing projects in Spain.